Yo, you already know, it's B Smooth, fresh out the X, Bronx representative, Lamb Vegas. You know, people that influenced me was dudes like Big Pac, Big L, Big Pun. You know what I'm saying? Dudes like them that influenced me in this game. Yo, the message in my music is, if you got a dream, chase that. If it's something you believe in, strive for it. Don't never give up. Do what you gotta do, man. Any dream you got can be possible. That's the message in my music. Go hard or go home. That's what it is. Yeah, tonight, I'm gonna give y'all something very special. 2 of my singles, Blow Up, and I'm on it. You know what I'm saying? Something for the club, something for the people in the streets. But mix it up. Make sure I represent for everybody out there, for the Bronx, New York, Harlem. That's how we gonna give it up tonight. Yo, if you wanna get in contact with me, you know what I'm saying? You can look up on MySpace, Google Records, Lamb Vegas. You can check me out, bsmooth@yahoo.com. You know what I mean? I'm out here, and I'm ready.